There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
What's up guys, CGK FPV here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little rip that you just saw. It's rare that I kind of get a full pack where I can post the whole thing without cutting it up or editing it. So I was pretty stoked on that result. It was super chill music, kind of flowy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure did. I actually almost forgot about that pack. I had gone through all my footage. I had put in a new SD card, and after I had gone through all the footage from this session, I was like, there's 2 extra clips here, and I clicked on them and I totally forgot about that flight, which is kind of interesting to think about, because that means I must have been just really in the zone and not like trying to fly or trying to fly for YouTube or whatever. So that's kind of neat. But anyways, let's get into this week's giveaways. We got a few new items this week for that are coming off of my 2.5-inch toothpick. So let's just get into it. Alright, so first up we got the battery straps for 6S batteries. These are a little bit bigger, they're 255 millimeters, so there's about 10 in here, so if you want these, let me know. And next we got the Ummagrip. This is just one pad. It's 100 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 3 millimeters thick. So if you want this guy and don't want to lose your battery packs, get this thing. And then we also got some 3-inch props. These are all going to be screw-on, so make sure that your motors can take screw-on props. There's 5 sets here. They're 3x3x3 and 3x2.4x3. So if you want these, let me know. And now to the new items for this week. First up, we have the TP 2.5. This is a toothpick frame from FPV Cycle, designed for 2.5-inch props. I ran bi-blade on this and it was pretty fun to fly. It actually flew pretty well. I'm just not into the tiny quads, so that's why I kind of took it apart, and I'm going to give it to you guys. So let me know if you want this frame. It's a really good frame. They don't make it anymore, so keep that in mind. But yeah, really cool frame. And to go with that guy, if you're interested in some little toothpick rigs, I got the Diatone Mamba Nano stack. This is 16x16. It's an F411 flight controller, and I believe the ESC is rated for 13 amps. I'm gonna send it out just like this with the little battery leads and the capacitor attached, just because I didn't feel like taking it off, and maybe you can find some use for it. So yeah, let me know if you want this guy. And last but not least, we got a set of Xing Nano motors. These are 1103s, 10,000 kV. They're the Unibel, really smooth, not notchy at all. So if you're interested in these guys, let me know. And that's going to be it for the giveaway items this week. Same deal as always, guys. You know, just let me know in the comments which item you want. And I'll be drawing a random winner next Monday, September 7th. So make sure you don't miss that. Hit your notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I will be posting another little tips and tricks video later on this week, so keep an eye out for that. Hope you guys have a great day. Get out there and fly, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.